Today on Koali Pups, we are creating a Wednesday Addams cake. I loved this show. When I read that Christina Ricci was going to be a part of it, it was almost like a stamp of approval. So I knew I was all in. Now, Jenna Ortega's performance is amazing. Even better, maybe? I don't really want to say that, but also I just did. It's just so effortless, you know? And there's so many iconic moments in the show that are really only attributed to Jenna Ortega's performance. That dance sequence that she choreographed, performed while she had COVID, it's gonna live on forever. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't think that this is my best work. I'll probably give this like a 6 out of 10, maybe even a 5. I don't know, but rewatching the first season while creating this cake was a blast, and I'll definitely try to make another one when season 2 comes out, hopefully sooner than later. Now, I'm curious, what Addams family member do you want me to make next? Let me know in the comments and follow for more.